Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Harley Davidson Fast Johnnie lineup first look. So make sure to watch the full video. Harley Davidson has expanded its enthusiastic motorcycle collection with 3 limited edition Fast Johnnie models. Fans of the MotoAmerica King of the Baggers series will recognize the Fast Johnnie fuel tank logo, which appears on the motorcycles raced by the Harley Davidson Screamin' Eagle factory team. A Harley Davidson insider explained the Fast Johnnie legend to us. It was inspired by the story of a piglet named Johnny, adopted in 1920 by Harley Davidson racer and member of the infamous wrecking crew, Weishaar, which became a team mascot. The piglet often perched on a motorcycle fuel tank for a post-race victory lap and is usually cited as the source of the hog moniker that to this day is often applied to anything Harley Davidson. Weishaar was inducted into the AMA Motorcycle Hall of Fame in 1998. 3 Harley Davidsons are getting the Fast Johnnie treatment, and they all are models inspired by the King of the Baggers series, the Lowrider ST, $24,849, Street Glide ST, $33,899, and Road Glide ST, $33,899. Each of the 3 Fast Johnnie bikes has celestial blue paint with custom white detailing, along with the Enthusiast Motorcycle Collection logo on the rear fender and racing stripes on both fenders, side cases, and the gas tank. Each tank also has the Fast Johnnie logo on the left side and the bar and shield on the right. The Lowrider ST gets striping on the side of its fairing, while the Street Glide ST and Road Glide ST have striping on the side panels and the front of the fairing. Harley Davidson genuine motor parts and accessories will have color-matched King Tour Pack and chopped Tour Pack luggage carriers and saddlebag speaker lids available. The striping graphic effect is a powerful signal to the generation that came of age during this era and is still impactful today, explains Harley Davidson Vice President of Design and Creative Director Brad Richard. The celestial blue base color selected for Fast Johnnie recalls a popular tone from the muscle car era. For the graphic striping, we created a custom white color formulated to authentically reflect the era, executed in a classic thin pattern on the sides and top of the motorcycle bodywork. The look is a nod to pure Americana. There will be 2,000 examples produced of each model. Mechanically, the Fast Johnnie models are identical to the standard ST. Complete spec sheets are at the bottom of this story. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.